The roof was designed with a 5% slope to allow rainwater to run down the facade and the oval window towards a gutter that leads to a particle filter before reaching 2 water tanks with a total capacity of 650 liters. The rainwater can be reused through a pressurized water system that pumps water to an 80L heat accumulator tank that supplies water to the 3 plumbing fixtures: kitchen sink, bathroom sink, and shower. A 3-stage reverse osmosis filter was installed underneath the sink to provide drinking water. All the water used in the 3 fixtures is stored in a tank and later reused for watering plants. The water pump, water heater, refrigerator, and glass ceramic cooktop are all powered by 5 solar panels installed on the roof facing south. Here's a look at the plan. We installed a dry toilet that is connected to electricity, 12 volt, to produce compost. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel for more content like this. HDI Home Design Ideas, we'd appreciate it.